When we started, again, we got the course and we were brand new to this whole business. We were brand new to real estate pretty much. So it was kind of overwhelming when we got the course. And then that's when we were saying to ourselves, you know, we need a coach or something. We need more guidance along the way.
A little bit more handhold.
Yeah, because we understood the business process, but we felt confused on some of the steps on how to deal with it. It was a lot of information. But now where we are is we understand the whole process inside out. There's no confusion. It's 100% clarity. We know this business model inside out, and it feels like, you know, it's a really good opportunity to take this to wherever we want. Sky's the limit.
We're from Canada as well, so that was a huge bottleneck for us. We thought we were going to have so many issues getting started, so Career Path just like gave us that push we needed to just do it.
The best feature of Career Path was, first of all the information was presented top notch. In 2021, this is what you're doing, and it was the most sophisticated ways of doing it compared to like the course. Obviously things change so fast and the tools change so fast. So basically Steve and Jill presented what they're doing now in their business with the most up-to-date tools, which was a game changer for us.
My best feature was the community. It's like an intimate group of people. We had our own like separate chat as well. Everybody was just like very friendly. We felt totally comfortable reaching out to the other people that were more advanced in the course, and they were so helpful. They answered our questions. It was great to be able to sort of like ask anything.
Anybody that is in the land business for their career, or that's what they want to be, is their career. Anybody that is that serious about it, we would say it's highly worth the cost, because if you learn what we learned in Career Path, like there's no way you can fail. So that investment that you pay for the program would be recouped right away and really give you the skills and ability to scale this to really limitless, yeah, like in the millions. So that's the potential we see, and we feel like we got the skills in place now to propel to that level.